Today, we're going to go over a simple strategy that you can use to make money on Instagram in 2022. There is no need for big accounts with thousands of followers. You don't need to invest thousands of dollars to make the strategy work. It's a set it and forget method, and it has only 4 steps that I am going to share with you in detail. So grab that cup of coffee, hit on the thumbs up button, and let's go over it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. First, I want you to go to Instagram. It's better to use your PC for this method, but if you don't have one, it's fine. This method can also work using your smartphone. I want you to create a completely new Instagram account. You just need to click on Sign Up here. The registration process is very simple, and you can do it on your own. You still can use your personal Instagram account, but honestly, I don't recommend that. Instagram allows you to create an unlimited number of accounts, so let's keep it simple. When you are creating your account, you will be asked to choose a username. No need to worry about it now. Simply proceed to complete the sign-up process. Once you log into your new Instagram account, we need to do a very important little trick. Hover your mouse on the profile icon and click on Settings. Now scroll a little bit down and select Switch to Professional Account from the left-hand side. Once done, select Business on the next page, and then simply click on the Next button again. An Instagram business profile gives you access to promoted posts and Instagram ads, providing you with tools to grow your reach and engagement. Again, we won't be running ads on this account. This method is 100% free. Here we need to select the category. I want you to select product or service and click on Done. That's pretty much it. Instagram will ask you whether you want to use your contact information or not. Well, that's not necessary actually. That was step 1. For step 2, I want you to go to the search bar and look for smartwatches or choose another digital product. But for this video, we are gonna use smartwatches as an example. You can see endless posts from different Instagram pages. Most of them are running an online e-commerce business selling watches. You can scroll down to see what's trending and the styles of watches people are interested in. Let's look at this account, for example. We can see that they are selling different smartwatches. If you click on one of the photos, you will see more details about the product. You can see they have the best watch collection posts on their account. They have almost 40,000 followers on Instagram. But you don't need any followers for this method to make money with Instagram in 2022. If you hit on the Reels section of this account, you can see that on average their Reels cross over 15,000 views, and some of them end up getting over 50,000 views over time. What I find interesting about this account is the fact they are not selling any of these watches. No worries, we won't be selling on their behalf. I will show you how you can take advantage of this traffic and make money in a passive mode. This is a great opportunity for you to earn at least $5,000 per month because this page, like many others, is not using this new method on how to make money on Instagram, which I am going to reveal to you in a minute. Now, if you check their bio, you will notice that they are usually monetizing their Instagram audience by selling watches in their local shop in a specific country. They are getting a lot of interactions from different countries around the world, especially if they use a hashtag in English, such as #watches or smartwatches. This page is leaving a lot of money on the table because people usually prefer to buy stuff from websites with a good reputation. I mean, you don't want to give up your credit card details to a website that was probably created 2 days ago. So if we solve this issue for them, we can make some good money on Instagram, and that's what I am sharing with you today. Before we go any further, welcome to our channel where I teach you methods and how to make money online. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to smash the like button. If you have any questions, concerns, or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Step 2. Now I want you to come over to the site called dhgate.com. As usual, you will find the link to this site in the description and pinned comment under this video. DHgate is one of the world's leading online wholesale platforms for products made in China. They offer the same quality products found elsewhere at a fraction of the price. DHgate hosts over 30 million products in a wide range of categories, including clothing, fashion, and consumer electronics, etc. You don't have to worry at all. No need to buy or sell anything. Plus, this is not a drop shipping or drop servicing business. It's a completely new method to make money on Instagram. DHgate has a secure payment system, and they are trusted by reputed sites like MaxBounty and many other reputed companies. And it is available worldwide. On top of that, all new buyers get a discount code that might go up to $50 worth. This website offers an affiliate program that is probably among the best I have ever seen in this industry. You just need to share any product you like by using an affiliate link and earn from 3 to 51% commissions whenever a product is bought using your affiliate link. If you sell 10 smartwatches worth $200 each, you can make up to $500 in commission. Just create your account on this site and begin generating your affiliate links. It's 100% free. Once done, search for the smartwatches you want to sell in the search box and then click on the Get the Affiliate link under the product, which will generate your personal affiliate link. That's it. Now you need to work a bit on your Instagram page. First, I want you to publish some content. It doesn't need to be yours. You can simply download the reels that other people are sharing on Instagram and publish them on your account using hashtags to reach a wide audience. When you see a nice video on Instagram, simply copy the link and paste it into websites such as igram.io. This website allows you to download reels for absolutely free. Once downloaded, go back to Instagram to upload it. Don't forget to include your affiliate links to the same or a similar smartwatch. It's also important to credit the author of the video, so keep that in mind. That was the difficult option. I want to share with you another one, which is way easier in my opinion. Well, you just need to contact the smartwatch-related Instagram pages. Many of them are not making any money from the traffic they receive on a daily basis. You can convince them to share your affiliate links in exchange for a commission and share with them a part of your earnings. All they can do is share your links on their Instagram account. You can also bet a shout-out from them and see what method would make you more money. No worries, I have prepared a script that you can use to pitch this idea and hopefully convince them to cooperate with you. The link is in the video description. You can convince them once and the entire work will be done by them. You can then sit and enjoy this profitable way of making money online using Instagram. The most important thing to keep in mind when using this method is dedication. This method won't make you a millionaire or get you to reach financial freedom, but it's a good start, so make sure to work on products that you usually like. This would expose you to more opportunities, and maybe you can become a seller on DHgate and build your own brand in the future. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to make a video on how to become an official seller on DHgate platform and get people to sell your product in exchange for a commission. That was all for today. Feel free to check out the other videos on this channel if you are looking for more ways to make money online. Make sure to leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of our future money-making methods. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.